Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're doing well. And here Mockup file for Photoshop, but these are protected. First you need subscription for access of my all file. Go to sherryskpwt.com, just one time payment for lifetime access. Okay, here book and tablet mockup for file for Photoshop, you see PSD. Next business, same thing here, candle mockup, candle, and here chocolate packing in PSD file. For example, I open this one or this one in the Photoshop. Okay, here book cover, open this one. Now we need a portrait photo or any other image. I know you know how to customize this file, but I tell you just for example, you see, and design to for book. Red dress, Control S, okay. Next, business card, candle, or doing yellow color. Here background. You can import your design. For example, I use any image. Control S. You see, you can apply any other photo or background. Here chocolate packing. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.